Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez here with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank y'all for coming to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I talk about, my journey as entrepreneurs, business credit, real estate, some other things. I'm really just want to, information I come across is things that I utilize. I want to share them with you all, and hopefully we can all build and grow together. I'm just planting seeds, and, I love the energy and the reciprocation of the, what's going on here on this platform. But let's just cut into it real quick today, man. We're gonna cut into it. I want to talk about how to make money with no money. You know what I'm saying? So if this video is for, if you're looking for something else you think I'm talking about, look, don't even worry about it. I'm talking about this for my people who want to know how to make money with no money. This is for my people who need a side hustle, side job, a little hobby, if you will, or some people who may be at home and just like, man, I need some lunch money. You know what I'm saying? I need to make some money. I need to start making some moves. Okay. The first thing I want to say is when you're doing business, especially in this online world, understand marketing, understand branding, and understand that this Facebook, the Instagrams, the Snapchats, the YouTubes, all the stuff that we're on for entertainment can be used for your business. So once you understand that methodology, then you might get on those platforms with a different mindset. Okay, the mindset that I like to have, is attraction marketing. Okay, I'm not gonna go out here. I'm an artist as well. On low key, I don't, there's a couple things I do other than just, talk about building business credit. But even as an artist, if I was to say I'm a rap artist and I have a mixtape I'm dropping, I'm not, me personally, I'm not gonna tag 150 people in that project that has nothing to do with the project, that don't care for it. Okay. Now what I may do is post my videos, post my content, post my music, and the people that are attracted to that, they come to me. So for instance, there's something you can do called affiliate marketing. I'm not going to be big on that, but I'm going to just talk about it and touch on it before I get to the stuff that you can do today with your phone. I'm going to talk about it real quick, man. This is a lot I got to get off my head. So affiliate marketing, for example, I'm an affiliate marketer for NAV, that builds business credit. Okay, building business credit. That's what I talk about a lot. So credit monitoring service to build your for monitoring your business, nav.com. I'm affiliate. Click the link below, right? It's free for you. I get $8 and it doesn't hurt you, right? It's just that their program gives an incentive out to get people in the door, and if people like their product, then they upgrade the service. I don't get any extra money if you upgrade your service. However, if you initially sign up at a higher level, then I will be the beneficiary of that. But that's neither here nor there. All I don't spend any money. I mean, I pay for NAV because I use it. I don't spend any money on promoting it other than my electricity bill, my laptop I already got. I'm making videos about the subject matter anyway, So that's affiliate marketing. That's how to make money with no money. So that takes a little time to build up content. Whether you're on Instagram, learn the algorithm. If you're on Facebook, learn the algorithm. If you're on YouTube, learn the algorithm. But most importantly, be consistent. My favorite is YouTube right now, if y'all can't tell. So just to dial it back in, stuff you can do today with your phone. Let me put you up on game. And you probably already know and aware about this stuff, but you ain't look at it in this light. Okay? So a lot of us are familiar with Cash App, okay? And with Cash App, this ain't no gimmick or no scam or nothing like that. Cash App is linked to your card or your bank account. All you do is refer people to get $5. They not paying any money. It ain't no scam. It ain't let me show you how to turn $20 into 200. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I see that, I'm thinking maybe they was talking about this. But let me give you the legit rundown, because I laugh at those comments and those posts. But here's the thing. Now, I'm gonna give you the game for free. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. And hopefully you can click on my referral links. So I don't know what those people do, but now in my mind, it just clicked as I'm thinking about it. Man, maybe that's what they was talking about. All right, peep this. I just gave you the gem right there. But it's about, do you have a platform where you're teaching people the game? Do you teach people how to stack these? Okay, you know about Cash App. What other programs do you know about? I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3 today. I'm gonna give you 3 today. I'm gonna see how this video does, and if y'all are receptive to it, then I will do more. Okay, cool. Flus. Let me see. Make sure. Let me record. Hold on. Let me record my phone. I want to put this up on screen so I can show y'all. All right. These right here, my money making apps. Just right now, just for the sake of this video, I want to show y'all. All right. So the first one I'm gonna talk about Dosh. All right. So right here, it says Black Friday, get a $30 cash back bonus when you book a hotel. So anyway, what is Dosh? Dosh is a rewards program. What you do is link. These are all FDIC approved, insured. You sign up. You plug in your debit card or your debit card or your I can't even talk, debit or credit card to Dosh. And you just go out and use your credit card regularly, specifically with any of these places. So here's some local places. Rack Room Shoes, you get 3% cash back. KFC, 5% cash back. Dunkin' Donuts, 4% cash back. Wendy's, Papa John's. The list goes on. So great. As soon as you add a card, you get $1. So I think if you add multiple cards, you get $1. So add up. Look, you can do if you got five debit cards or credit cards that you're going to spend money on anyway. Boom, you can get $5 just by doing that. But the key is to refer people to this. And usually I would say, hey, sign up, make a $2 purchase at Dunkin' Donuts, get you a coffee, right? And now send people your referral link. Okay, so referral link, you see where it says refer. Give it some time here. So what happens is now I'm going to recite. You see, I can copy my link right there. Boom, my unique code. So I can copy that link and I can send it to people, or I can post it below the video. Best believe these links are going to be below the video, right? I'm not charging you any money, and potentially you might drink coffee anyway. Now you have more of an incentive to just make that one purchase. Now refer people, okay? And after you refer those people, they get, you get $5 just for referring them. And yes, it's only $5. Well, what if you created videos just like this one, where you had thousands of views with the potential of multiple people clicking the link, or you're teaching them how to stack, right? Or you're at Thanksgiving, you're at Christmas. How many aunties, aunts, uncles, grandmas can, boom, that's a quick $50 at least. All right. So, boom, you got Dosh. Link your credit card up one time, and then, go out and make a purchase at one of these places. It'll give you cash back, right? And also, let me see here. So, yeah, it's set up to, I'm trying to see here, accounts and cards. See, boom, Venmo, PayPal, and a bank. So you can connect your bank, you can connect your Venmo, or you can connect your PayPal. Which one do you want to be paid through? That's on you. Get you a PayPal, get you a Chime card or something like that. Prepaid card if you don't want it attached to nothing too serious. Boom. And all you have to do is promote it. Market it. Teach people how to do it. This is free money, guys. It's free money. You teach somebody on their couch right now, you know what I'm saying, using the chains about their couch to eat some ramen noodles, and you can bless their game and give them $5 or $10. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. Let me go back. Flus is very similar. As y'all see, I went to Burger King and got me an Impossible Whopper. But anyway, Flus is very similar to Dosh. What do you do on Flus? Well, Flus is very similar with regards to you. It's a rewards program. And what happens is you sign up your credit or your debit card. The difference is Flus, it's not hard to do, but this is what happens. With Dosh, you just use the credit card. Boom, you're good to go. It's going to register when you spend it at Dunkin' Donuts or wherever else. With Flus, if I'm at Burger King, for example, when I paid that $5 and whatever it said, 49 cents, whatever it was, when I spent that money, I had to go on here, right? Let me see. Let me show you right here. I'm going to show you exactly what I had to do. 45, 47. I'm trying to find out. All right, boom. Say if I go to Domino's, right? And when I get to Domino's, it's gonna when I get to the register, they're gonna say, oh, your order was $9.89. So I collect $9.89. So you got a minimum of $5 to spend. So keep that note, right? And I can earn 35% back or $3.50 plus. Okay, so anyway, you put $9.89, you hit continue, right? So when you put $9.89, it's gonna charge your card. And then they're going to give you a coupon code that they can either scan or use the numbers on the coupon code. And so that way you get your rewards points from using the program, and you just pay with that coupon code from your phone. So that's just the extra step you have to go through on Flues. How Flues is beneficial though, when somebody else signs up and they use from your referral link, you get paid. You get a little some change whenever they use the account. But I'm not worried about all that. It's cool. That's dope. That's dope. But what I'm worried about is getting that $5 referral. You know, and the backtrack, I think Dodge is doing a $12 referral for some people right now. So they do fluctuate on Dodge between 5, 10, 12, and 15 sometimes to get kind of promote it. So jump on that. This last one I'm gonna talk about, family, is called Metal Pay. Okay. Oh man, let me see if it's gonna act right, because I was logged in, and sometimes Metal Pay be giving me a little time when I'm lingering. You know, some stuff you gotta log out and log back in. All right, perfect. So Metal Pay, guys. So boom, I'm on, and what Metal Pay is, you can trade cryptocurrencies, right? But this one you can trade Metal, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ripple. So you can trade all those stuff. So if you're into trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, might be a site for you. But what happens? All right, soon as you sign up with me, you get $6, right? Okay, cool. Well, what's the gimmick with the $6? The $6 they give you is in Metal, okay? So what happens is when you get the Metal, you can sell it, buy it, or whatever, right? You know, so you can sell the Metal when you get it. The key is you have to have $7 to sell it. But when you refer somebody, you get $6. So get this $6 worth of Metal, okay? Then refer it to somebody immediately. Get another $6 worth of Metal, and then you sell it, and you link up your bank account to it, and boom, you made $12. Matter of fact, you can see here I sold $12.82. Do you hear me? Worth of Metal, okay? So that means that overall the stock went up, and I cashed out. So that's right. That right there, family. What, 12. That's like $22. If you're doing just 5 Flues, 5, boom. So you can make $22 like that. How much? How many of y'all making $22 an hour if y'all still working a 9 to 5? I'm not saying that's everything, but potentially you can make more than that. So I'm laughing because I know I seen those people post on social media talking about I'm gonna turn 20 to 200, 200 into 2,000. I don't know why. Look, I don't deal with the scammery. I'm just giving you the real. So I don't know if they teaching this or whatever they doing. But what I can say is, let me go and exit out of this. There are other ways to make money online with little or no money, but I wanted to cover that because I feel like most people have access to a phone. They have access to some type of prepaid debit card, or they have their bank account. If not, y'all need to kind of set that up through Chime or something. And understand, all I'm doing right now is I'm promoting these products. I'm teaching you and telling you that, hey, download Flues, download Dodge, download Metal Pay, right? And then you just simply refer somebody. It can be your mama, it can be your brother, it can be whatever. But the key is, yes, I understand it's just $5. But what if I told you there are multiple apps that you can do this with, as well as you can create a platform about making money online, getting up every day in front of a YouTube or Instagram audience, engaging every day, showing your bank statements coming in, showing your PayPal's coming in, learn marketing and learn branding, and boom, people will be attracted to you. So the more you teach and create a platform or structure, start getting into creating funnels and stuff like that, or just get up in here and just make videos. Keep it simple. Make videos about it. Tell people about it, and when you at the family Thanksgiving, or that passed. Well, if you at the family Christmas dinner, the New Year's party, just say, hey, cuz, hey, man, let me hold $5 real quick, and just kind of boom, share that with them. So anyway, I know it's a little bit different than what I normally do, but I want to say, let me get y'all feedback. If you would like me to keep doing these type of videos, if you're interested, let me know. If not, it's all love. But like I was just saying, the NAV business credit monitoring link is for free. And if you want to pay for pay for Nav and get some your business credit monitoring that reports with Equifax, Experian, and Dun & Bradstreet, that's $40 a month. But I always give people the option. I want to let you know that if you are working on building your business credit, because I always mention that in my videos now, fix your personal credit. You know what I'm saying? And maybe you can use some of this money to actually start, paying some debt down, paying some bills, paying for your lunch money and stuff like that. You know, I might make it a game out of myself. Man, I wonder how many referrals I can get. That's gonna be my my lunch money for the week. Start making it a game with yourself or something like that to kind of make it fun. And I'm, not everybody's gonna be receptive to it. Some people's not gonna like this video, but it's fine. I'm just telling you, there's somebody out there that wish they knew how to make $5, $10, $15, $20 like that. All they gotta do is talk to somebody, refer somebody. You know what I'm saying? All of y'all with multiple people in the household with a phone, bank account, good to go. So anyway, I love y'all. Peace, family. Y'all got any video ideas that you want me to kind of do in the future? Drop it in the link below. I'm doing consultations for the rest of the year. $20 for half an hour, $30 for the hour. My actual link to my Too Smart to Be Broke t-shirts is down there. Capital Holiday 20 if you want to get 20% off the purchase of my shirts and my hoodies. So I love y'all. I hope y'all having a happy holiday or family time or whatever it is that you actually do around this time. All right? Peace.